Very good morning, students of class 10th. Here I am Punam Prasad with the topic with the chapter geography, the chapter number 1, resource and its development of your social science, sub-subject your geography. Students, we have already started this chapter in our class, right? And we came across with the definition of resources. We came across why there is a dependence of resources on the basis of nature, human, institution, and technological skills. We have already gone through with that. Fine. In our early classes, we can also have to classify the resources with examples on the basis of origin, that is your biotic abiotic. Then comes to your exhaustibility, non-renewable, renewable. Then on the basis of ownership, that is called as your individual, community, national, international. And last but not least, the status of the development, which is including the potential, the developed, stock and reserve. Fine, students, we have already gone through with that. Students, today's topic that we are dealing with is the development of the resources. The spelling is here resources. Fine. So the word is called as, the topic is called as development of the resource. Children, we need development, but we have to go for the development, right? And we also ought to have to get development of the resources. हमें डेवलपमेंट की ज़रूरत है. If we want to have a competition or we want to put ourselves into the competition along with the countries, हमें ज़रूरत है डेवलपमेंट की. हमें इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट या पॉलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट, सोशल डेवलपमेंट की ज़रूरत है. बट दैट डेवलपमेंट कैन नॉट हैम्पर द environment or cannot hamper the resources बेटा. हम लोगों ने already we have discussed on this particular point that to fulfill the desire of the human needs, fulfill the desire of the human beings, and due to the greediness of the human has exploited the nature. उसने एक्सप्लॉइट किया है नेचर को, उसने एक्सप्लॉइट किया है रिसोर्सेस को, और अल्टीमेटली ये बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को लेकर आता है. ये प्रॉब्लम्स कौन से हैं वो हम लोग लेटर ऑन डिस्कस करेंगे. बट लेट्स वी टॉक ऑन सम ऑफ द फैक्टर्स दैट व्हाट डज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज मींट. चिल्ड्रन, जो रिसोर्सेज है दैट कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑब्टेन्ड, येस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिनरल्स. when we are talking about the resources can be produced, yes, in the terms of agriculture products or crops. If we want to collect in the terms of collect or collection, yes, the foreign products are the forest products are considered in as a collection of the resources. But beta, that cannot be present in front of the human, because when the human satisfy their need, they have to process these resources. रिसोर्सेज को अपने लायक बनाने के लिए उसने उसको क्या करना शुरू किया, उसने प्रोसेस करना शुरू किया. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया दैट वुड कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द चेयर एंड टेबल. दैट चेयर एंड टेबल कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड बाय अस. इसके लिए व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ द features or what sort of the attributes needed by the human beings. इसके लिए human itself with the human skills, brain, technologies, capital investment, money, infrastructure, etc. can be needed. So if we are talking about what does the resource development meant, resource development का मतलब होता है that we are going to utilize the resource, that we are going to exploit the resource according to our needs, and on the other hand we have to preserve the resources. We are going to utilize, we are going to exploit, but on the other hand we have to preserve the resources for our present as well as for the future generation also. Fine, children. रिसोर्सेज इसलिए डेवलप करना ज़रूरी है बिकॉज वी आर the part of this world, of this universe. और डेवलपमेंट हम लोगों को, अगर हम डेवलपमेंट नहीं करते हैं तो वी आर कंसिडर्ड एज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ बैकवर्ड नेशन. हम लोग एज अ बैकवर्ड कहलाएंगे, हम लोग एज अ स्लो डेवलपर कहलाएंगे, हम लोग एज अ लो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज कहलाएंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट. तो उस कंडीशन में वी नीड डेवलपमेंट, लेकिन डेवलपमेंट हम कैसे करें दैट शुड ऑल्सो बी नोन टू द पीपल बेटा. सो द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस दैट व्हाई डू वी हैव द रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट. हमें रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट की क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ी. हम लोगों ने अर्लियर स्लाइड में भी पढ़ा कि किस तरीके से रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट का मतलब होता है. रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट is the utilization of the resources. It includes judicious, it includes the conservation, planned way, how to exhaust the resources. It means that we are utilizing the oil, and on the other hand, we are going to control the pollution. So all these are termed to be called as resource development. That is, in a short, resource development meant utilization, exploitation and preservation of the resources. बेटा क्वेश्चन जो हमने पूछा कि हमें इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी, because to fulfill our desires or to fulfill our needs or to fulfill our you can say greediness, we the human beings have exploited, not exploited beta, over exploited the resources, which ultimately leads to the many problems. If we talking about the problems, most of the problems are related with the environmental pollution, environmental degradation, ecological imbalances. Less rainfall leads to drought, more rainfall leads to flood. These type of you can say the natural disasters occurred, tsunami like cloud burst, etc. Man-made disaster, you have seen already the coronavirus and other viruses, flu and all. Ultimately, it hampers the life style of the people. Then it also leads to the global warming. It also leads to health hazards, which includes both the mental as well as the physical problems. Children, over exploitation of resources also leads to decline in the moral values. Example, when we are correlate our life, today's life, with the you can say with the use of mobile phone, then ultimately हमारे जो moral values हैं वो decline हो रहे हैं. It also leads to social economic gap between the rich as well as the poor. On the other hand, colonization, war-like situation also arises due to over-exploitation of resources. हर चीज़ एक दूसरे से क्या हो रही है, ये correlate है. So, thus, the developed and developing countries, they think about that. उनको ये पता है कि हमें development करना है. On the one hand, but on the other hand, we have to save the resources to being exhausted. इतना अगर हमने रिसोर्सेज को नहीं बचाया तो हमारा प्रेजेंट भी इसके वजह से हैम्पर होगा और हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए हम कोई भी रिसोर्सेज छोड़ नहीं पाएंगे. इसके लिए they came up with a definition, or they came up with a point that was called as the sustainable development. Beta, in the next class, I would like to go, the next slide, I would like to go with the Agenda 21 and the Rio Janeiro Earth Summit. Fine. ये important question है sustainable development का. It means that the development, what if we are going to define the sustainable development? Sustainable development meant that the development should take place without damaging the local environment, and the present should not compromise with the needs of the future generation. Both the developed and developing countries, they make the concrete steps to conserve the resources. Why they wanted to conserve the resources? Because the non renewable resources like coal, petrol, oil, natural gases, etc., they can be exhausted in a few decades. So, what we have to go for? We have to go for the proper planning of the resources. So, in our next class, in our next video, I would like to show about the resource planning and its stages. So, children, I would like to give the topic based questions and you have to go from this slide. So, just watch the slide carefully and you have to answer that questions.